Good evening, everyone. Hi, my name is Asta, and today I am very happy to share my thoughts about my father. My father is a kind and honest person. He always supports me in every situation.
Okay.
He works hard and never betray our demands. Whenever we need something, he never shows, but he loves us more than anyone else.
Okay.
He is the only man who never hurts their daughter.
Hearts
And
his
or
his
and
his his daughter.
okay, and always supports us, no matter what confusion it is. He can't us in the always pain, the always care for us, the whole family. At last, I want to say it. He is the best man in my eyes. He is my everything. Thank you so much.